In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Shopify support effectively using Google. Whether you're running an online store or just getting started, knowing how to reach out to Shopify's support team can save you a lot of time and trouble when you encounter issues or need guidance. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once you're there, type Shopify Contact Support into the search bar. It's a direct way to find the contact options you need without having to navigate through multiple website pages. Press enter, and you'll be presented with a list of search results. From the list of results, look for the link that reads Shopify Contact Us, Shopify Philippines. Clicking on this will take you directly to the Shopify Contact Support page. At this point, you'll see various options for getting in touch with Shopify, including email, live chat, and sometimes even phone support. These options can vary depending on your location and the type of service plan you have with Shopify, so it's important to choose the one that best suits your needs. Next, you'll want to click on the Visit Help Center link. This is where a wealth of resources and assistance options are available to you. The Help Center is an invaluable tool designed to guide you through common issues and solutions. It's a good place to try finding your answer before reaching out, as it can save you waiting time and potentially solve your problem immediately. Within the Help Center, you'll see a search bar at the top. Here, you'll want to type Highlight. While it's not specific to any particular issue, searching for terms related to your problem can bring up articles and guides that Shopify has compiled. For instance, if you're experiencing difficulties with website themes, user payments, or product listings, just type in the key terms. The Help Center search will generate a list of articles, FAQs, and guides pertinent to your query. It's designed to address a plethora of questions and technical difficulties, sometimes with step-by-step instructions and visual aids to ensure clarity. As you navigate through these resources, make sure to take note of articles that might be particularly helpful or bookmark them for future reference. If after exploring the Help Center you still need assistance, circle back to the contact options previously chosen. Having already searched for solutions independently might allow you to more effectively describe your issue to a Shopify representative, facilitating a quicker and more accurate resolution. So, there you have it, a straightforward way to leverage Google to get the Shopify support you need efficiently and effectively. I hope this guide helps you navigate Shopify's support resources with greater ease, keeping your online business running smoothly. Thank you for tuning in today, and good luck with your Shopify journey.